Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you 5 surprising benefits of walnut. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Walnuts used to be viewed as unhealthy due to their high fat and calorie content, but in recent history we have found this assumption to be completely false. Packed with healthy essential fats, antioxidants, vitamins, trace minerals, protein and fiber, walnuts are a veritable superfood. These tree nuts have negligible sodium, are cholesterol-free and are unique in the fact that they contain polyunsaturated fats instead of monounsaturated fat. The health benefits of walnuts that result from their impressive content resumes are many. Let's discuss a handful of the benefits of walnuts you might not already know. Number 1. Improve your memory. Walnuts contain the essential fatty acids omega-3 and 6. These may help improve memory and cognitive function. Number 2. Prevent depression. Having an overall healthy diet can help with depression, but studies have shown having slow systematic levels of omega-3 can be especially harmful. This makes sense since omega fatty acids are good for the brain. Walnuts have plenty of omega-3 to help in the prevention of depression. Improve sperm quality. Trying to get pregnant? Make sure your guy is taking a handful of walnuts each day. As one of the benefits of walnuts, improved sperm vitality and motility. It also might help prevent sperm morphology or abnormal sperm growth. Number 4. Grow healthy, stronger hair and nails. Walnuts are a great source of biotin or vitamin B7, which is thought to help hair and nails grow stronger and longer, as well as prevent hair loss. Vitamin E can also help give your hair and nails a healthy shine. Number 5. Help prevent prostate and breast cancer. Walnuts have the highest amount of antioxidants in the nut family. Due to this boost of antioxidants, walnuts have been proven to help slow the growth of both prostate and breast cancer. I will give you the link of walnut in the description. You can buy best walnuts from the Amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.